You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through the steps involved in downloading the new OEX launched Testnet app and how to connect your Metamask wallet and also how to participate in the missions that are given therein. Now, there is a tweet which was made about 2 days ago, as at the time this video was created, by the Openex, and this is the tweet on the screen here. Now, this is the download link which the OEX team has given to us. Okay, so what you do is you click on this link. When you click on the link, it will redirect you to a page where you are going to download the app. Now, this is the page as it will show when you click on that link. So you click on the first option here to download from Google Cloud. After you download it, you install the app on your phone. Then after the installation, you open the app, and once you open it, this is how it's going to look like. So here we have two options. We have the sign up button and we have the import button. I wouldn't be going for the sign up button because I already have a wallet which I want to import. Hence, I'll be making use of the import button. Now, if before now you have not participated in the Openex quiz and other testnet transactions, which has been ongoing a couple of days, then you will need to go with this sign up. That means you do not have a wallet yet. Okay, but if you have been participating in the OEX testnet transactions, that is, if you've gotten your testnet USDT, your testnet OEX, and the AGI, what you need to do is you use the import button. Okay, so that you import that wallet into this particular wallet using either the private key or the recovery phrase. So right now I'm going to click on the import button. So once I click on it, it will bring me to this page, and it says input your wallet's private key or the mnemonics. Okay, so here we'll be making use of our private key. So I will quickly go to my Metamask to get my wallet's private key. Now, with one Metamask application, you can have numerous wallets in them. As you can see, if I click on this option here, once I click it, you discover that I have a lot of wallets here. Okay, I have a lot of wallets. So each of these wallets have its unique key, which is known as the private key, and it is with that private key that we're going to import this wallet to the OEX wallet. So this is my own OEX wallet which I want to make use of. I have my USDT, my Openex token, and AGI. It's because of network the balance has is not loading up. Okay, now in order to get my private key, I'll click on this address icon, this three horizontal dots. Then I will select the show private key option. Then once I select it, here I am going to input my my Metamask login password. Okay, I'm going to put the password, then after which I'm going to click on the next button. So I have done that, so I'm going to click on the next button now. This is the next button. So what I will do is I'm going to click and hold this, as it says hold to reveal your private key. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now, after which my private key will be revealed to me and I will copy it. So my private key has been revealed to me and I have copied it. So I'll go back to the OEX wallet, then I'll paste my private key here. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. Now after pasting it, I clicked on the next button and it says enter your wallet unlock key. You are going to enter these 2 times. It is 6 numbers, so please do not forget. Make sure you do not forget. Get a pen and a paper and make sure you write it. Okay, or get your diary to record it. So once you do that, you click on the done button and it says loading. So right now it has opened, just as you can see. All right, it has opened and this is it. So that is that about importing your wallet or creating your wallet. So the next thing we'll be doing right now is we're going to be participating in the missions. Okay, we're going to be participating in the missions, and in doing that, we have a button here that is the mission button. We click it. We have about 5 missions here. First of all, we'll be starting with the first one, which is this very one. Okay, when I click on it, it requires connecting my email address. Okay, now, but before I do that, let me first of all select my country by clicking on this icon here. Okay, so I am from Nigeria, so I'll select Nigeria, and here I'm going to input my email address, after which I will click on the submit button. So I am done with that, so I'll click on the submit button. Currently it says something went wrong, error. Okay, let me try that again. I'm trying it. It says something went wrong. Okay, now that is not a problem for now. Okay, because the network is congested and a lot of people are making use of this server currently. So we're going to try it some other time, so you can just keep on trying it. Please take note, make sure you read this. Okay, make sure you read this. It says to help verify your EVM address within the Satoshi app is essential to bind your email address and select your country and region accurately. Once you've correctly linked your email, you'll be able to view an approximate airdrop balance. Please note that this balance is not the final figure. The final amount will be updated after the airdrop event concludes. Be aware that the distribution of airdrop tokens may not be permitted under the laws of certain countries and regions. It's crucial to select your actual location truthfully and carefully, as we may need to conduct further verifications, such as facial recognition in special circumstances. So now this draws our attention to this draws my attention to those who have been asking me if we're still going to do another facial recognition or verification in the OEX, or rather in the Satoshi app. Now it has been stated here clearly that in special circumstances this may occur. Okay, there may be chances of carrying out this facial recognition or facial verification, so please make sure you take note of that and get yourself prepared. So we go back and we click on the second mission here. When we click on this mission, it requests our X username. Okay, so right now I'll be going to my my X handle to get my username. Now how do we do that? Okay, this is my icon here. Okay, that is my profile picture. So you just click on the profile, and here you see your username under here. Okay, so that is mine. Okay, Cletus Udobi. So that is what I'm going to add to in the space that is provided. So I'm going to type it, okay, just like this. Then I'll click on the next step. Okay, so here there is an action that they want us to carry out. It says copy the content below and post it on X platform, then copy the status ID of your post and enter it in the input field. Now this is what we are going to copy, as exactly as it is we are going to copy it. All right, I'm selecting all, then I'll click on copy. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my X handle and I'm going to post it on my X handle. So this is my X handle, so I'll click on this plus button here to make this post. Then I'll click on post. So I'm going to paste this, and once I paste it, I'll click on the post option, which is this. All right, so I've posted it. It's going. Okay, just some seconds. Okay, it says your post was sent. Okay, it says your post was sent. So right now we'll be clicking on this. I'll be clicking on this share icon here to get the link of this particular post. So I'll click on copy link. It says the link has been copied to clipboard. So I'll go back to this mission page and paste this. Okay, immediately you paste it, the number here will come out. Okay, that is your post unique number it will come out. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'm going to click on the check status. So I'll click on check status and you give it some seconds to load up. It's checking my status. It's currently checking my status, so just patiently wait. It's trying to check. So guys, as you can see, it has all been marked good, okay, showing that I have completed this process. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll click on the finish mission button, okay, and it says that the mission has been completed. That is the meaning of this. Okay, I've successfully done that. So I will go back to the next mission. So I will be taking the third one, which is this very one, and I think this is the Telegram mission. Okay, so I'll copy this AGIEX bot. Okay, so I'll click and hold on it. I'll copy it, then I'll go to my Telegram. So now this is my Telegram app. So I'm going to click on this search bar. This is the search bar. I'm going to click on it, then I will paste this AGIX bot. So that is I think that is the first one. Hold on a bit. Okay, yeah, that is the first one. So I'm going to select the first one that came up here, or better still, let me cross check. Let me check. Okay, yes, we'll be selecting the first one. Okay, so once I click on it, it says what can this bot do. I'll click on the start button. Click on the start button. Okay, then I will go back to the mission page, and it says send the following. That is, we are going to copy this. All right, we are going to copy this right now. I'm going to copy it, everything, and once I copy it, I will come back here and I am going to paste this here. Okay, now this is my wallet address. Okay, this is my wallet address. So I'm going to click on the send button now. So I have just clicked on the send button. It says, hello Cletus, you have binded the address. Okay, this is the message. Now if you take a look at this, you discover that this address here is your Metamask address, or the address which you just set up in the OEX app. So we are going back to take the next mission. We are done with this mission T. So we'll go back right now and click on mission L. So this is mission L. So I'll tap on it and it brings me back here. All right, it brings me here. So so if you take a look at this, you discover that I have USDT. It's verified. I have OEX. Okay, that's the testnet USDT and OEX, but I do not have the AGI testnet token, and that is why you see this in this format. Okay, so what it means is that I'll be needing this AGI and I don't have it. Now since I have USDT and I have OEX, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap some amount of my USDT or some amount of my OEX testnet token to the AGI. So I will go back right now. So I will click on this button to do the swapping first before I come back. I'll click on the hub. Okay, when I click on hub, I'll click on the swap button here. This is the swap. Okay, now here I have my USDT and I have OEX here. So here I'll be changing this to AGI by tapping on the OEX and selecting AGI. I'll select this right now. When I select it, you see it has appeared there. Then I'll click on this as well. When I click on this, I want to swap my OEX now, so I'll click on the OEX. Okay, so and here I'm going to come here and select the amount of OEX that I want to swap to AGI. If the OEX doesn't work, I can use my USDT. So here, let me say I want to select, let's say 2. Okay, it's not coming up. It's not coming up, so I have to select I have to click on it again and select USDT. Okay, so here I'm going to impute, let's say 1.5. Okay, I think there is an issue here which I will have to rectify. So I just typed in 1.5. okay, so what it means is 1.5 USDT will give me 2.7657 AJAX token. So I'll click on the swap button right now to see if it will go. It's swapping. So as you can see, I have swapped my USDT to AGIX, and as you can see here, the USDT, OEX, and AGI token has been ticked green, this green tick here. So the next thing to do is to click on the submit button. So it says, or rather it reads that I have successfully completed mission L. So I will go back right now and I will pick the next mission, which is mission Z, that is mission Z. So once I click it, I have done this before. So why it's marked good is because before now I've already passed my simulated KYC test, and I have been given 10 long testnet USDT, which was sent to my OEX testnet wallet address. So guys, that is how to do how to participate and complete the missions, starting from the E down to the X. This is the E, the X, the T, the L, and the Z. Now remember, when we tried this mission E, that is connecting our email address, we discovered that the network was a bit bad. So I'm going to try it once again before the end of this video to see. So if it works out well, then congrats to us. So let me submit it again. Oh, it's still saying error, something went wrong. So do not bother yourself. At some other time you can come in and try it. Okay, so guys, that is how to do it. Okay, that is how to connect your testnet wallet to the OEX application. And guys, if you have any question in all these steps and procedures that we have undertaken, please do well to drop your question at the comment section below. Do well to give a thumbs up to this video. Feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload videos on this channel you get notified. I hope to see you in my next video.